Alright guys, back out of here. So, first things first, we're going to try and put in some fluid in the transmission. Because when I did the auto to manual, I didn't put any fluid in the transmission. So, that might have been one of the reasons why it locked up on me. And it sounded like it's taking every single bit of that cord. Come in here, I can't go in the gears. So, see, like, I don't know what's going on, but I can't put it in none of the gears. Well, that's supposed to be first, but then this is not neutral. This is stuck in the gear right here. Let's see. Start it.
What happens when you don't put oil in your transmission?
Typically, you get 5 neutrals in the reverse, but now we have no neutral, and we can't drive it because we don't even know what gear it's stuck in, and we can't switch within
I
the
say
gears.
it's stuck like in third because you made it here, and you were definitely coming down the street like in third gear.
Yeah, so like from the
coasted in.
Yeah, so it was fine because I was shifting through the gears fine up until I made it to your street. Up until I made it here. Once we turned it off, that's where it locked up.
You know I only live like 1.5 miles from the track, right?
Yeah, but I was able to shift through it fine. It wasn't until I shut the car off and let it sit that it got like that.
I don't think you were going to make it home that day.
Well, I mean, we definitely didn't make it home. I think maybe if we open it up and put it in neutral,
put it back together?
And then put it back together, then maybe we could get this thing driving again.
You got a lot of holes, my boy. But at least we get to see what's wrong with it.
Exactly, because, I mean, I got another transmission. I have to go get it, but I have another transmission at the garage. Don't know
at least the head gasket ain't fucked up.
Definitely is.
No, it's not.
How?
Because it's not building pressure.
Not right now. We've only had it on for like a minute at a time.
But if the head gasket would have been bad, it would have built up pressure.
Because it was building a lot of pressure on the track. Those lines were like solid.
I mean, but it was warm that day. But right now, I mean, it doesn't seem like you have a bad head gasket. Look, see, the water's right there too. It's not like she's super low.
Yeah, I don't know.
Maybe just some antifreeze, you know, some 50-50 instead of some 70-30.
I put some concentrate in that.
I mean, concentrate is better too.
So, all right. I guess we're gonna take this transmission off.
I guess.
And by we, I mean you.
No, I mean by we, I'm just gonna be here to supervise. Nah. That's what that sounds like.
Sounds kind of crazy.
Sounds like your big body gonna be on a creeper right now.
Sounds like I'm not doing that. All right. So I guess we're gonna take off all these 17s.
Just jack it up. We're doing everything at the bottom. Bring it down. Everything up top, and she's off.
All right. Let's remove a transmission.
See how this oil looks. Almost did. Blur this out. This is a snap-on action.
I was gonna say, because I'm fancy with all the snap-on tools. See if there's one. Doesn't look terrible.
Yeah, about that.
It looks like all the ATF we just put in it.
It looked like it at least has some oil in her. No, she actually didn't have oil. That oil looks fresh.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. There's no metals in it.
Yeah, you definitely see it.
You see metal in it? I don't see any metal. I mean, it does look a little weird though. Oh wait, maybe it is a little sparkly. Oh boy.
She's starting to come out?
It's a little sparkly.
Her true colors?
Oh my God. See?
Your reverse is disconnected, right?
Yeah.
She's out?
Yep.
Alright, just kind of help her come down. She's gonna go on the jack, but yeah, go ahead. You're good. You're good. Drop it. You can drop it. I move my tools up there. Let me give you the disclaimer about nuts and bolts here, cousin. All nuts and bolts by the jack stand. Everything. This is the first time we do a swap together, so I gotta break you in, slow.
Whoa, the bumper.
Whoa. That's it.
All right, go ahead. Never taken a transport in my life, but this looks pretty clean in here.
I was gonna say, she smells like an automatic transmission.
It looks good though.
Where's the?
I mean, there's a little bit of. These gears been grinding a little bit.
Nah, that's normal, cousin. They all have that.
Yeah.
I think that's like for oil, as they're like they have like some type of oil.
Somewhere, yeah, so it could have some oil somewhere. What about this right here? This all.
That definitely is a lot of gunkiness right there, cousin. AKA the forbidden glitter.
Yeah, I should get an LSD while we're here, right?
I did.
Shouldn't this spin freely though? You gotta hit the clutch.
This one is stuck.
That suck?
Yeah. Yep. Look at it right here. Oh, sorry. I guess it wasn't stuck. Oh, maybe I just got it unstuck.
Or maybe we just didn't do anything. We put it back in there, it's gonna be the same problem. How do we know it's a neutral? This is supposed to move, right?
So spin it. Nah, she's still in good. Yeah, so it is this one. Yeah, you probably locked the. Yeah, you probably locked the into the main shaft.
Like seized it?
Yeah.
Can we unseize it?
Probably not. Look, she don't want to move. Look, so it's actually this good. Look. They're all supposed. So right now, technically, you're supposed to be a neutral right now, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, you're missing a tooth. Damn, you're missing a couple teeth right here.
Where?
Well, come from this side. I can't spin it. Damn, you're missing a couple teeth.
Cousin Jerry took this transmission apart. Oh, sorry. And let's just say things aren't looking too good.
She is not happy.
Got all that metal in there. You guys just saw, I showed you guys all the metal. Look, there's even metal in the selector in there. And then
show them your
we got some teeth missing. So there's one missing. Where's my finger? Right there. There's another one missing right there. It's not focusing. Right there. Another one right here.
Go from that side on that side.
And then oh my god. And then look on this side. Let me see, focus. This where's my finger again? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I think some of these are missing too, right? Or not?
Yeah, this gear's actually.
Which one?
What was that?
I thought it was only this side.
There was so many teeth missing that.
Yeah. So, what's your synopsis, Cousin Jerry? It's done for, huh?
Get another trans.
So it's done for. There's no coming back for this one unless like I get like a transmission with a broken case that I can take the gears from. But those are hard to come by. But I mean, I've never taken apart transmission. It looks pretty cool though, all these gears. But Cousin Jerry, try to. It's a neutral, right?
Well, it's supposed to be a neutral. All the synchros are in the neutral position, but she's not. She's not neutral.
It's stuck.
So I say she's stuck in 5th gear, which if I'm not mistaken, this is the, what is it? Isn't it 3rd and 5th or
I have no idea about transmission.
I think it's something like that. So I'm pretty sure she's fused together from lack of lubrication.
Oh yeah, I definitely didn't put not 1 ounce of. I could even spit in this thing. Like I didn't put nothing in there.
Like
I'm surprised it made it that long because I made it 1.5 track events. Yeah. So this is pretty cool, and all these gears have like all these little fins in them. Sorry, it's hard for you guys to see. All these little fins for the lubrication to go through, but it was nothing but friction because there was nothing holding it. But so what? Just the synchros I gotta replace?
No.
Is that what these gold things are? These gold things are synchros?
If I'm not mistaken, yes, the gold things are synchros.
And then these are the gears.
Yes.
And then what are these things here? The containers?
No, those are like everybody calls them different, but they're like sliders. So when you go into gear, this is what actually engages the gear into the next gear. So when this slides up, you're locking one gear into another. So you should have, if I'm not mistaken, on this side, you should have reverse is stationary to this gear. I think 3rd and 1st are stationary. And on this one...
5th and reverse?
Huh?
5th and reverse?
On this side is... Well, this is reverse. I know the non-tapered gear is definitely reverse.
Non-tapered?
And that one...
Like the skinnier one?
No, the one that's the...
Oh, that's straight.
Yeah.
Like straight cut gear?
It's tapered, right?
Yeah, no, you're right. Like or whatever.
Yeah, so I'm pretty sure this was reverse, and that looks like is one with the whole pinion.
So now we're gonna take a trip down over to the shop and see how out of hand we want to get, because we do have. I'm pretty sure the engine has a bad head gasket, so we can either do a head gasket or we could just replace the whole engine, since we have. I'm not trying to brag. I guess I'm a hoarder and I have a couple things to pick from. So let's take a drive down onto the shop.